Nevada is seeing a COVID-19 surge right now, and state leaders want everyone to take those numbers seriously. We do thank you for joining us tonight at 5. I'm Brian Loftus.
And I'm Denise Valdez. The governor, in fact, just wrapping up that press conference with a plea to Nevadans. Orko Manna joining us now live from the Grant Sawyer State Office Building with more on what the governor had to say. Orko?
Well, Denise and Brian, Governor Sisolak is making it clear now is not the time to let up on COVID-19 prevention measures like wearing a mask and practicing social distancing. That's because we are seeing a fall surge of the virus here in Nevada. Now, the governor says that we are starting to see an alarming trend in the number of coronavirus cases and hospitalizations across the Silver State. According to the White House COVID-19 report, we are in the red zone for cases. For the most recent 7-day period, we're seeing roughly 666 new cases a day, double what we saw at the beginning of September. Additionally, our 14-day test positivity rate is 9.1%. For perspective, the World Health Organization says communities should aim for a 5% positivity rate. While Governor Sisolak says his goal is to continue reopening the state, what happens next is up to us.
I don't want to get to that point, and every single Nevadan can make a difference on us getting to that point or not. The behavior of each and every one of us can make the difference of whether or not we're going to trigger that, enforce more restrictions, and I don't want to see that happen. So we're working to loosen things up more and get people back to what their new normal is.
You have full confidence.
Governor Sisolak also mentioned that he has been having conversations with state education leaders as well as CCSD Superintendent Dr. Jesus Jara about what reopening schools could look like. The governor saying his goal is for students to return to the classroom soon, but in order to do that, the governor mentions that we all need to make sure that we fight against that COVID fatigue that he was talking about earlier. And also, he says, with flu season coming up and hospitalizations going up, it's very crucial for everyone to take these numbers seriously and get their flu shot. Reporting live in Las Vegas tonight, Orko Manna, 8 News Now.